Nailed it.
Hey, Fivers.
Oh, yeah.
Come on over, Sean.
Let's do another After the 5.
So as you know, are you mic'd?
Yeah.
Are you turned on?
I think so.
Well, I mean, is just your mic turned on? I should say that.
I'm going to go check.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You're good. I didn't mean to ask you if you were turned on.
Well,
I know we have a lot of really cool stuff here.
yeah. Oh, yes, you do.
So Sean is here from Michigan,
Yeah.
as you know, Michigan.
Yep.
And he was there filming at the Midwest Rep Rap Festival. It was really fun
was.
because I flew into Detroit. And Sean picked me up at the airport, and then we drove the 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, 5 hours?
It's like 3.5 hours.
3.5 hours to
Yeah.
Goshen.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah.
I mean, it was good. The Murph was incredible. We covered this in a previous After the 5, and it was insane to try even walk around on Saturday. I stayed at Chuck's booth from the time I arrived Saturday to the time of this OpenRC race. I think a lot of people saw me at the race, and then I came back to the building, and I think I stayed at one place.
Yeah, you didn't walk
Quite a
around
bit.
too much, yeah. That's why we didn't get a whole lot of video stuff done, because you couldn't see all the cool stuff.
Couldn't
that
see
there
all
was
the
to
cool
see.
stuff.
Yeah.
I do want to talk about one thing. This was a sponsored video by Matter Hackers. Originally, using their NylonG filament was going to be a part of a previous video package, the one where we did the high five sign, the wood sign.
Oh, yeah.
But I was just going to use NylonG in another video because I wanted to test the filament. I hadn't used it before. Matter Hackers reached out and said, hey, can you do more with it? We have this idea. And so we worked out sponsoring an OpenRC video. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm super happy they reached out to do that because I had a blast. I have the big one printed over there.
Yeah.
And that'll get running soon now that Sean's here.
Yes. Very excited for that.
But this one, I'd never printed all of the pieces for a tiny one and went and got all of the electronics to make it work. That was kind of exciting.
And it worked really well. Like, like you said, like it didn't really even break anywhere. Like, legitimately, it's just...
The screws were like that far away from it. So
Yeah, they popped
had
off
they
the
tapped
screw.
in, fine. I mean,
Right.
yeah, had I used longer screws here, it would be a much different result.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, you were trying to win that demolition derby without any front steering.
Yep.
So that was good.
And I
You
almost
almost
had
did.
it.
You
I
almost did.
almost had it. I was so close. Oh, excuse me. We're gonna get food soon, right?
Yeah, it's about lunchtime.
Well, one of the things, though, it was a sponsored video, and I think this is the perfect type of sponsored video because Matter Hackers didn't say just use the filament and talk about how wonderful it is. They put forth an idea for me on how to use the filament in a way that would legitimately test it and would be a fun video to make.
Yeah,
Because this
absolutely.
is fun.
That
This
was a
is
lot of fun.
awesome stuff. That race was fun. You should build a car next year.
I really want to, actually. Yep.
Good.
Yep. You lost a little rearview mirror there.
I lost one side view mirror.
Side view, yeah.
I lost one tire and rim. The piece that broke off, we did find that.
Oh, nice.
But it sheared at a layer line.
Right.
And really, that's like the detriment of anything that's 3D printed, right? The strength along the layer lines is the least.
Yes.
But this was good. This was really cool. I think this was a neat demonstration of what is possible with this material. Obviously, there are more things you can do with the Nylon X that require the stiffness and the strength of the material.
Right.
NylonG has a little bit more bend and flex to it, which is why it's great that the parts that could have broken easily with PLA were made in NylonG, so they flexed a little bit. And like I said, this broke along the layer lines.
Yeah, and it looks great too. Like the actual print quality is fantastic. On top
It's
on
a
top of
fun
that.
orange. It is
Yeah.
a fun orange. I have a white as well.
Yeah, it's their safety orange. That's how you call it.
That's what I call it.
Sure. Yeah.
But like with anything at Matter Hackers, I do have affiliate links for this. And if you do choose to pick up a roll, I would love it if you use my link. It supports us now because
Yeah.
Sean is here to stay.
Woo.
To
Yes,
stay.
to stay.
I do have, since I bought bearings, if you did want to build a car, I do have.
Oh, yeah.
I do have spare bearings.
I do want to. It should probably be purple.
Imagine.
Yeah.
And you could put a little Megazord right here, or a Power Ranger, or I don't know.
Sure. Yeah.
You'll have to teach me the ways of the Power Rangers.
Oh, we'll do that. As you've seen my room, it's pretty much nothing but Power Rangers.
And that's
toys.
okay.
Yeah.
Everyone has their own version of awesome.
Yeah.
So with that, though, let's wrap up this video.
Yeah.
So this video was a long time coming, recorded over the course of like a month.
Yeah. Yes.
I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do choose to buy the filament, I'd love for you to use my affiliate link because it supports us. Anything else?
I can't wait to try my own roll.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's exciting.
We'll see you on the next one.